So this is our project and our name of the system is KrishiSetu. So here we start our demo. So now first I'll log in as a farmer. Here the farmer can log in through the MetaMask wallet. So the farmer has to connect the MetaMask. So now the farmer can connect this MetaMask. So the MetaMask for the farmer has been done successfully. Now the farmer has to enter the name. This is a demo of how the farmer can register on the system. And in this way the farmer can do the registration successfully. Now once the registration is done, the farmer now can upload a new batch, that is a new harvest that the farmer has produced, and the farmer has to give a name to that batch. Let's say the farmer gives the name, and once the batch is created successfully, a QR code is generated. So I'll just download the QR. So now we will go and check for the middleman. So now a middleman can log in on our system. So the middleman can see all the products which are visible, which are available. So now a middleman can go to view details page. So now the product traceability time, the middleman can see the entire product details. Also there is a product traceability timeline which tells that the batch was created by the farmer and the product was other, the quantity is 100 kg and with the time it created. So it's basically a traceability timeline. Now the middleman can do a payment to the farmer only when the middleman does the quality check. So first of all, the middleman has to enter all the quality check details in the supply chain details. The middleman has saved entire detail which can be seen on this page. Once the middleman has saved the details, he can pay. So initially, farmer has this much amount of money. Initially, the middleman has this much amount. So now a MetaMask wallet will be popped up. Now it will ask to pay, and now the middleman has to send this amount of polygons, that is a price for that product. Once the middleman confirms, pop-up will come if the transaction is, so we can see that payment is successful and timeline is updated. So now the middleman has sent this much amount of coal to the farmer. So now we can see that there is an increment in the farmer's amount. So now we can just check here that the middleman verified and purchased the product. Also a transaction is, since it's a blockchain based, so entire thing is done on the blockchain. We can trace the entire transaction, and in this way we can see that the transaction was being done from this account to this account for the consumer who scans the QR code. So in this way the consumer can scan the QR code and can obtain the ID, and the consumer now can see entire details of what the product was, how it was created, batch created, verified and purchased.